Deday degenden paydalanasanmi, vaqt to'xtatib turib atib.
Oldu. Aslında
Pastdan juda
nereye yapalım? Sniper var mı?
Ne?
Ne oynamadı ben de kompüter oynamayı var. Misyemiz basat oynadık. Kompüter oynadık. Burada mı?
hayvon olib.
Bakın, kilo yaptık.
Zat diyeceğim.
Saat sniper'lar var mı? Bir koysam da
O, bir koyma.
hemen kayıp yiyor. Olur mu?
Saqang, ashish nima böyle saqang.
Tamam. Gidiyor.
Siz deyman. Bir oynang deydi. Saqang qo'shib qo'ysam o'zi.
Haydi.
Yo'q, yo'q deb yozib qo'yibdi. Bir oynang.
Man izledi.
Ava. Tamam.
Sakallaştı. Bana etme.
Saqamlashish javob bersinlar.
O da misyon var.
Can I help you there?
Sure. They're supposed to be my business partners here. They arranged a meeting, I believe, about some horses.
A fellow with a scar and a Mexican
Yes, sir.
out by the stables.
Thank you. Have a
That-
wonderful day now.
Nereye oynamadıram? Bakalım bize kurtar. Sen anne kötü bir sorunu da var. Ne yer oynadın o ya?
Haydi. Nasıl koyayım?
Şimdi problem yok.
Good men, like you. You don't know me. You turn up in this town, and you're helping everybody.
Tip
And
kazanmak
everywhere.
koyamazsın. Böyle böyle.
And
Oh,
have
what's
you met
your
my
name?
partner,
Bernice.
Arthur Morgan? No.
I met your son, the sheriff.
Hocam.
Okay. Mr. Gray here was saying how he had problems with a family of degenerates.
Oh, well,
Dennis, he
nobody
put him-
likes degenerates.
Hag and her inbred sons. They ruined this county. They killed my uncle, you know. That ain't right. Problem is, we can't be seen to get too close. And?
Kaç doların var?
We've got gold, Yankee.
Oğlum.
We've got gold. I ain't no Yankee, friend. I ain't nothing. My daddy came over on the boat from Scotland. I'm Scottish. And the Braithwaites? Goddamn peasants.
Yaptı bu oldu.
I don't know.
Unutmayın.
Mongrels.
Oy.
Slave fuckers. All you gotta do is look at them.
How much gold?
Enough. These are prized horses I'm talking about.
Right.
Them, they'll get you 5,000.
5,000 for horses.
Easy.
Where do we sell them, these $5,000
Sen
horses?
misyon oynamadın o
Over in
misyon.
Clemens
Şimdi varamam.
Cove. Fellow over there will run them out of state and give you 50 cents on the dollar. Mister, you got yourself a deal. Just keep us away from this. Publicly, I mean. My sense is we keep all horse wrestling away from the public.
Red Redemption 3 çıkart dedi o.
Evet. Hadi yok.
Go to the stables on the south side of the manor.
Arthur'dun kichkantay kezini ko'rasan. Главный персонаж. Red Dead Redemption 1 usunun keyini ekan. Red Dead Redemption 2.
fool.
You should see the Braithwaite woman.
Hosea and Sean were planning on going over to the Braithwaites.
1899-дан 1901 жылға шейін екен ғой.
If they're there already, they better keep their heads down. You don't need
Red
this
Dead
to be
Redemption
any
1,
more complicated
екінің кейінгі
than
да.
it already is.
жылға дейін бе?
$5,000 for
Мынау
horses.
қазір бізде Red Dead Redemption 2 1899-да 1900 неше бір затқа дейін жетіген
He doesn't know
Сонда
what
11 ма?
if we get even a
Red
third
Dead
of that.
Redemption 1 бірақ содан кейінгісі.
О, не болды мынау? Не істеймін? Бірден.
Go to the stables on the south side of the manor. That's where they keep the thoroughbreds.
Легендарный хайуанларды аулайсың ба, yok?
Tamam alamam.
Passing you.
Hayvan olayım mı?
Adam көп çayda değil olan tarafı değil.
Ya.
Çok kötü demedi ne? Missiya.
Тек hayvan olayım mı? Өйтіп қуатын болсам болған.
Crazy old fool.
You should see the
I want all that
Braithwaite
jelly.
woman.
Hosea and Sean were planning on going
Suyuruk
over to the
diyeceğim.
Braithwaites.
Bana ne?
You haven't seen them?
No, not yet.
Öyle mi lan?
If they're there already, they better keep their heads down.
Ha, sünnet
You
ben
don't need
hayvanların
this to be
terisini
any
alу үшін
more complicated
3
than it
yıldızlı teri
already
болады да бір
is.
hayvanlarдан.
$5,000
Бірақ
for
мылтықпен
horses.
атсаң терісінің сапасы түсіп
We've
кетеді.
been robbing the wrong folk all these years.
Yeah,
Артығылап үйрену керек
he
көреді.
doesn't know what he's talking about. But
Ne
if
anlayın.
we get even a third of that, it'll be worth it.
So how are we gonna play this?
The place is well guarded, so there ain't no point in blasting in there. We'll make them think we're there looking to purchase.
3 armed men?
You'd be armed if you were about to spend 5,000 on horses. We should go in the back way, though. Avoid too many questions. Careful. There's a guard.
I'll speak to him.
Адамдарға жақсылық қылсаң жақсы енді. Тоғайдың ішінде жүргендер ғой. Қалаға барсаң саған зата береді.
Yeah, we're here to see about some horses.
Horses?
Yeah, we had an appointment with Mr. Braithwaite, I believe.
Yeah, I never heard about any of this.
Our partner wanted to make a significant investment in some stables down here. But perhaps we should look elsewhere.
Kim başlar mısın?
Well, okay then. But head on up to the stables. Someone will come see you.
Танат істейсің ба, yok? Лагерге?
Aa.
Eso.
Yeah.
That's it. Nice and
What?
easy.
Buyurun.
No need to rush. We don't want to draw any unnecessary attention. All right. I
İyi
think
revolverim
that's
var
the
mı?
stable's
Görürüz.
just up ahead. Heads down. Play cool. Head around the front. Hitch up there.
Gitmiş yok.
All right. Let's hitch up here.
Whoa.
Şey aldım.
Let me
Fazla
do
oldu
the
lan.
talking.
Ya. Ağaç yazdım.
Hello there.
Can I help you boys?
I hope so. Heard you got some horses.
Tutasayım mı?
We always got horses.
Fine horses, I mean.
I don't
Böyle
get
yarına
you,
girmem
friend.
de
Yeah,
evet.
you do. Come on.
Listen, why don't you
Böyle
get
20%
out of here?
tecrübe
You,
yazdım.
Scarface, and your greaser buddy.
Whoa.
I don't like officials.
We ain't officials.
Менікінің өзі
We're
әзір
swords.
22%.
Looking to do some
Ne
breeding.
yaptın burada?
Come on now, partner.
F1 деген шығады ғой. F1
Okay,
dostan.
fine. Follow me. These here's mainly the studs available for purchase or for working. That's what you're interested in.
Ama şahsen.
What is you boys interested in?
We represent a famous stable and stud farm from Saratoga,
Is that so?
unofficially.
Of course.
Ultranis ne?
This here's Cerberus.
Progress degan kirasan kana ne dedi? Kim aldı?
Greaser, huh?
Okay, bandana's on.
Ana, abroying yaxshi bo'lsa sagan adamlar skidka beraveradi ekan qo'ya.
All right, I'll grab the white one in the middle. You get the other two.
Ana yoqqa kelmayman.
Relax, boy. Come on.
Good boy.
Easy.
Easy now.
Easy. You're okay. Marston, you're gonna tether him up to Javier's horse.
Okay.
Javier, you're gonna lead the stallions.
Obala.
Marston, you ride point. I'll cover up the back. If there's any problems, we'll regroup at Clemens Cove.
Okay.
Trash.
What are you doing?
Let's go, quick!
Aa, o'tganda shu yerda axshab bormi?
Go, get out of here. I got the back.
What the hell are you doing? Stop! Stop!
Yeah.
Coming this way! Out of the fields! Watch out by that wagon! More of them!
There's... That's how you want to do it? You're happy now?
Qanday? Bo'lmuyor.
Into the fields!
Atan qanday? Qancha dollarga sotib oldi?
There's a gap in the fence! We can get out that way!
Qancha tezlik deganlarga
See
qaraysan.
if we get rid of them in the trees!
Onda 4 kelimiz pasmasdan. Ana, buni bossang kamerang uzoqlashdan.
Clear.
Nafasi kusang cinematic deb.
There's more of them on the road!
Ko'pcha hayvon olayman. Volaychi.
You see any more of them?
No?
Don't think so.
All right, let's get these horses to Clemens Cove quick before we run into any more trouble.
Please.
Whoa! You okay there, boy?
Etme oynayıp koşacağız.
Shit! One of the horses broke free! Arthur, get after him!
Bahsettiğin izine girer ama.
Quick or you'll never catch him!
O da ultra'nın nasıl karadan ultra'nın yoğun türlü yolu var. Hatırda onu verdim. O katırdım.
Har turli yo'lni o'tasan deshing.
Yok oldu. Bakalım.
Hozir qoldimmi?
Tamam. Çok bisiklet yok.
Whoa! You okay there, boy?
Yak.
Shit! One of the horses broke free! Arthur, get after him!
Bırak çıkıyor.
O'xshay men o'ltirib kerak ekan o hayvonlar 3 yulduz olish uchun.
Over here! I got it! Well done. Clemens Cove's just over there. Come on. Let's get this over with.
Ko'p qo'sh. Tak.
That could have gone smoother.
That'll be on my gravestone. Come on now. You think they look like they're paying $5,000 for horses?
I guess we'll see.
Hey! see. Come here.
Vay be.
What you boys want?
Heard you pay good prices for horses.
Oh, we'll buy more or less anything, Pop.
That so?
Sure, Pop.
Boring.
I'm Clay Davies. That's my brother Clive. We're twins.
John, Arthur, Javier.
So what are you?
Again.
Cuban?
No,
I don't like Cubans.
that's so.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Why, what do you care? You ain't Cuban.
Maybe I like Cubans.
Ooh, you're funny. He's funny. Ain't he funny, Clive? Clive don't talk. We're twins, but I was born first. He came out all yellow and black, but he's okay.
Jabaya tushda ko'rinmay o'yinlar.
Yeah,
Oh.
I know these horses. They ain't yours, but I like you.
Hayvonlardan
I'll
aytib
give
uyrenesang
you-
bo'yo. Sen
I'd give you 650 for them.
qani basiyib turib hayvonlarga
I was told we could get up to $5,000 for him.
And I was told the
Nima da
bill was
atning
made of
tezligi
ladies'
qancha
tears.
alsan deb
Only it
ko'raverdim.
ain't true.
E,
Not one little
atlatib
bit.
qo'ydim da,
But
hayvon
I
o'yini
like you boys, but I ain't got more than
Hayvonlar
700 on me. You
Yes,
want it,
now,
or you
zat
want to
pulun
ride
nima
them
da?
fellers into
O'zingga kiyim
town,
sog'ib
and maybe
olma.
someone there will hang you.
Satatman
Gonna need more than that.
I ain't got no more money, Pop. Here,
No.
take it or leave it.
Ana nelangdan satdim da, oltin paltin yüzük
Oh.
ko'rib.
Damn fool, Marston.
Ain't
Never
no
done,
one
nigga,
around here got $5,000, boys.
Lager-
But nice meeting you.
O'zi satan
You boys again, I hope.
Ana oltin satdim da, bir missiyasini oltin
Once
berdim
again,
da.
Clive.
$300
Ya
oldu.
nega berma? Velosiped 4 marta o'ynab ko'rmadim. İstediğim.
4 marta.
Believe the yarn spun us by one of that Gray
Eh,
family.
sus, ana
Imagined we was gonna be wonderfully rich. At the end of it, we felt like prize idiots.
Nereye? İkinci marta lagerdim ben.
Morning, Arthur.
How are you doing,
Benim de
Molly?
senin neyin koyup
Fine.
etmesine tanımaya
Fed
devam.
up of moving all the time.
Aa,
Yep,
abroyim
just the
ko'tarilish.
way it is.
Biroq o azg'antay.
Uzoqqa yaqin bo'lib qoldim.
Arthur.
Polniy qizilga yaqin bo'lsa jamana kerak, ana misol uchun birovlar dam olib o'tiradi. So'lar sirasi neshishadi. Revaljon. Ketdi.
Ha, ko'm.
Men lagerga borib ketaymi? Qaytsammi? Yo'q, borib ketay. Barnaqi.
Arthur! Arthur!
What now? You sweating yet, Dutch?
Of
Let's get him.
course I'm sweating. We're in some disease-ridden, swampy, Dixie-whistling shithole.
I meant about what Trelawney said about these bounty
Well,
hunters.
not sweating as such, but maybe a little gentle perspiration. Until we know more, ain't too much harm in wasting good liquor on sweating.
So?
So,
Uzatqa.
I think you should pay Mr. Trelawney a visit and find out exactly what he knows and who he spoke to. Take Charles with you. Oh, the sight of the pair of you would make a statue sing out its secrets.
Okay.
Let's go. Hop.
Ha, çok iyi.
Hey. Mr. Bell. Charles, I need you for some business in town. Come on.
Okay.
Söyle veren.
wants us to have a talk with Trelawney about these bounty hunters who are coming for us. Hoping he can tell us who they are or where they're coming from.
Okay. And you're deputies now.
Something like that. Soon as we laid eyes on that fool of a sheriff who runs that town, I knew Dutch was gonna play him like a fiddle.
Lagerdan da
On the run from
жұмыстан
one
өтсе
bunch of
өтті.
lawmen, working for another.
Шөп тасып,
Interesting.
керек шабыт болды.
Hiding in plain sight, Dutch
Hazırlan.
calls it.
Korkunç hava diyor.
So,
Olan
spirits
neyin
seem
kötülük
good.
kötü.
In the new camp, I mean.
We got some space between us and that mess now.
Dutch,
Ain't
oradaki
seen no more
adamlar geldi,
Pinkertons for a
konuşma.
while. There's these bounty
Aa,
hunters,
onda
of
da
course,
atacaktım
but
böyle.
Dutch don't seem too
Birini
worried about
ecerden
it.
biri, sulan çağırma.
Can't believe they're still coming after us.
Magazinge girip kaleye
We didn't
satın
even get
aldı.
away with the money.
Yeah, but they don't know that.
Of
Dur,
course.
böyle yok.
Trelawney.
Kapandı,
I've
kapandı.
only met him a couple times, but he's...
Аттанасына.
Lan çağlanan.
Сол жылан сай қойған ана Валентайнда. Егер затын алмаған болсаң.
Someone got here
magazine,
first.
Ona vatan.
So it seemed.
By the looks of things, it wasn't a social call.
Check the house. This food's barely touched. Looks like he left in a hurry.
Hayda, Mester.
You see anything there?
Атыңның тезліктерін көтеріңе болады, білсем андай мизатлар қойып. Аттың үстіне отыратын неді? Егер ма?
Tamam bayan.
Found anything?
Сол затын күшейтіп оған.
Tecrübemiz tamam peki.
Aa.
What do you think?
İşte
Спортта қатынасатын арқап қойып.
Big struggle. Pretty recently, I'd say. I guess maybe 12 hours ago?
But no body?
Баста ақшасы.
Not yet.
이게 var mı?
Екіншісі бар ғой. Екіншісі сол кәдімгі.
There's some blood here.
Өгіз.
That ain't
Атсам
good.
жаман болатын деп.
Come on.
Yap.
Before they get
Ne?
too far ahead.
Базада бар ғой, сол бітте қалдырамын.
Var mı?
Ә? Десең,
Ya kanka.
не айтып отырсаң?
Doktorda oldu. Var.
Бірақ жеп отырсаң ба? Біреудің өгізден өтіп.
They went down the path here.
Ау, лагердегісіне алдырамын ғой мен бұған.
These days.
Барып көрмедім ана.
All right. I guess.
Well, lead the way then.
Dismount and move quietly. Avoid attention.
Not the kind of place I'd expect to see Trelawney staying in.
No?
Normally scams himself into the best hotel in town.
Hey, I can see more tracks this way.
This cups. Cups. With animated take. Ne vuruyor? Yaparım.
Yeah. Yep.
Hey, look. They went up the path here.
Я ана револьвер төменге түсіріп алам, ана көзілмей атуға бола ма, Кәдімгі ана көздесең деп 5000 жамасынан көздейді.
Бірде ататын ваш жерсін ұстады.
Hold.
Ана қолын төменге түсіріп көзілмей қатады. Ана видеоларда да атады көргенше.
Бірден баш жерінен.
Соны түсінбедім, қалай атады?
Көзілемейсің де бірден тек прям баш жер.
Бірден атады. Соны түсінбедім. Ай, месте. Нагумо.
Mende attı жүргөн edin.
Aa, kaçarmaz şimdi.
Falan.
Eski ekti var sayıncar. Progress degendidir. Progress. Ең біріншісі. Неше процент деп жазып қойды?
버리고 제가. FPS는 아예 좁아져.
CPU가 қарасаң қайтып түсіп тұрған 99% түсіп тұр.
FPS 도 더워요? 내가
I think the tracks lead this way.
그냥 어디 갔다가?
CPU 비디오.
Why are we stopped?
그러니까 아니면
CPU가 뭐?
CPU азғантай істейді. CPU көп істейді.
Ne var mı?
Biraz bayağı da şey yapacak baba.
Press cut to with animal track.
Мишкинің ортасын бас. Hayvanların yüzün böyle.
I can see
Domalar.
tracks right here. See? They must have crossed over the tracks.
Exceeded true love. Ana ең баста барған қызым бар ғой, ең баста білесің ба, үйден әйел. Соған не қаншасы сен уже киім киіп алады білесің ба?
They seem to head into the fort. Wow.
Hey, look.
Snake gider.
Let's go see what those fellas have to say.
Hani snake?
Whoa!
Ne snake? Hani snake?
Excuse me. Yeah.
Атын қорқып кеткен ғой енді жабайы хайуандар арасында, қасқыр, аю дегелер,
We're looking for
жылан,
our friend.
түйе бам қашып кете береді екен.
I don't think he's here.
You seen a
Ей, жылан.
strange sort of feller? Sort of formal?
Strange. Sure. Formal? Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a
Ганслингерлер
lot
тау
like
деп.
this one.
All right, you two. Where the hell is he?
You both better get out of here.
Come here!
Well, you cracked his head. You stay there.
Ей,
Where is Trelawney?
I don't know anything.
Tell me where he is.
You go to hell.
You better tell me now, you son of a bitch.
Okay, okay, for Christ's sake. They took him to a cabin over by the cornfields.
Which cornfields?
Left. Down the path there by Braithwaite Manor.
Ya, өсімдіктерді сатсаң болады екен ғой.
That'll do it. All right. That should do it.
Adam өлтірсең ба деді.
미생 адамlar өлтірсе өле ме? Ай өле ме? Қара, 200 ақша берген етейін ба?
Не? 3000? Жоқ. Ужугун.
Come on, let's go.
Ana sen başına төлөгөн акчалар
I think
төлөп
there's a
жүрсүң
way
бар
around so we don't have to
Кой
go through
жогу
the
бар.
Braithwaite's
Почтага
place.
бар.
Öyle mi?
Yes.
О.
I've spent
Ананы
enough
шүмит ат
time
акчага
there.
кетет.
After you, then.
О жүрөгү.
Лагерь
Aa.
çekimi.
Чүйт алмай жа. Зат сатып алсам да.
I'm good.
Бәрі
What do you think they want with
сататын.
Trelawney?
Could be any one of a hundred
koyardım.
things. Just depends if any of them involve
Black
us.
Ne yaşadı da.
You think he'll talk?
Orlayt.
Course
Sen abi
he'll
aşağı alasın
talk.
söyle.
He'd sell his own sister to save a train fare. He don't know how not to talk. He don't know where we're holed
Anneciğim
up, though.
tanıyormuş.
Bankta var.
At least I don't think he does.
Evet baktı.
I don't know
Well,
why
I
Dutch
don't.
still deals with him. Always
Banka var mı?
disappearing for weeks
Banka
on
var
end.
adında.
He's
Neyse arabama
got his
sonunda
uses, and, well,
Michael.
loyalty matters to
Banka var.
Dutch.
Of course. But is Trelawney loyal?
Kind of.
Bizetimi stream da.
I guess Trelawney ain't exactly disloyal. Just got a big mouth. Don't worry.
Ya
Ne?
Pitman'dayım.
If he talks,
Pitman'dayım ama.
I'll goddamn find out what he
Ne
said.
oynar mı? Kaptor satıyorsun. Pitman'dayım. Araya geldim. Değil mi? Onu görürsen.
Ya.
Bir adam görürse. Ben görürse.
Ne kadar?
Yine bir adam görürse.
Benim birisi bir koyup atkan ne olabilir? Bırak. Hiç mi yazmayı?
Bir adam.
Telefon Clash'a girişmek unutmam.
Deseniz. Baktar.
Okay, here's the cornfields.
Devam et bırak ya onu.
Buyurun
Tabii.
görmeyiz. Buyurun.
Ya stream'in vaxtını hesablamayınca hesablayamam. Betul.
That must be it. Whoa. Let's get you out of here. Come on, boy.
The thing is, after that attack, this will be remembered like a good time.
Put the man down, gentlemen. That's a lot of them.
I think so.
So you're alive.
Allegedly.
Well, don't worry, they won't be for much
Look,
longer.
go get them, Arthur. I can handle this.
Қытай жазғы
Don't let
келгенде
him get away. Could have told him anything.
Her жазғы нормально келгенде сыртынан шешеш деймен да.
Near the cornfield.
Otur kelem.
Ой, bu Rhodes. Rhodes nega qisib? Nezat.
Kalk ettiğimi. Ben bunu hiç yiyemiyorum.
Nima o'ynab qo'yibman biroq. O'ynab kerak biroq. Достижение shu.
Tadına bakmıyorum. Gördüğüm
Telefondan
bakmam çok
tutalım.
daha acı o.
Oy bu.
Ya böyle ottum yaptım.
Come on, where are they?
Ha, Bluetooth neymiş bence.
Flush them out of there.
Айтпақшы, Black Mesa $2 скидка бар.
Bir de altta.
You wait till I find you.
Ben bitti böyle
You're
şimdi.
dead, you bastard!
Yeah, one of the real worth more respect. Ayeller sonda dawsyn talap etip çykkan 1900'dan başlap kaçtı?
We got
Yo.
one more, Charles.
Ayeller özlerine dawsyn talap etip çykkanda daws berүүдө. Özüm koktарын korgap çykkan 1800-900'dун башларыма дейм.
1900'ün bası.
Ачер сондай миссияда жүрүп мен азыр бар го.
Tarihte de sonra 1900'ün bası.
900'дун орталары жама деп урустан кийин.
Sağ ol.
Bizler эң көбүнө не дейт? Layık istep жазып койду да.
Hey! I see something on the ground over here. He's dumped his gear. Look around. He can't have gone far.
Vay, tamam. Ya. Boliwdi. Bu da çok kötü bir şey.
He's mine! Let me take him.
Görmeye oldu mümkün değil.
You have my friend. Not your
Hiç düşünmedim nalar nege öz daws talap etip atır özlerine. Ayo.
Come on.
Biroq bunaycha da
You should have taken the money.
ömür normalne diye emasmi?
I'm a fool.
Bankda to'xtatib qo'y.
Shit. Thank you.
Of course. You okay?
Yeah, fine. The gunshots are from that barn. Come on. Ah! Son of a... Ah! You can go to hell.
Good. You should be the last of them.
All right, let's go back for Trelawney. You all right?
Yeah. Never goes easy, does it?
Sure don't. Come on. Let's go see how badly they beat up the slippery feller.
I wonder how much trouble he's brought with him.
Guess we'll soon find out.
Seems like we can't catch a break now, Arthur.
Our luck's held this long. We got out of worse scrapes than this one.
So I heard.
Sure. What's government agents and bounty hunters to us?
I hope you're right.
You okay?
Never finer.
So, who was they?
They were bounty hunter. Attached to Cole Stoudemire.
Okay.
They weren't looking for me, per se.
What you tell them?
Not much. I told them I was an intellectual. Come down here
Tak
from
qo'sh cho'tka
Oregon
etib bergan ekanman.
for a job at the university. Of course,
Tarixim.
they didn't believe me.
Hamma yoqning odamlar bor ya. Restoran.
Seems you stirred up quite a hornet's nest in Blackwater.
So I keep
Irish degan qayoq
It
bo'ladi?
might be best if I stay with you, gentlemen, for a
Irish,
while.
Irish degan.
Can't go back to that
Shon degan
caravan
adam
now.
bor, lagerda.
All right,
Bir adam bor,
Charles,
Shon
you
degan.
take Trelawney back
Qolganga
to camp.
arashga
I'll
olib
catch up with you.
Okay.
Xo'sh, Irish deb aytadi-da, qattigan. Meksikan adam bor.
Bounty hunters, Pinkertons, lawmen. Everywhere we go, there's more
Africa,
and
bad
more
one.
civilization. Perhaps this is it from now on. We shall see, I guess.
Baylar kuş bala veriyor ama.
Ne sengstiring atib qol.
Qo'y.
Zagoskop, menda shunday bor. Biroq restoran sonday-ku, biling, baylar. Birovlari oltin bilan shug'ullanadigan odamlar.
Baylar kollar bu. Bu da benim Amerika adı sonuydu. ұрысқымаған үшін басталмаған ғой. Hırsımız bomana ya.
Kech tavılgandan keyin.
Ola bilmedim бірақ арқа емес пе ана? Арқа зырмаймын ана.
Sizler hozir igradasizmi?
Qading ba, Arab Amerika.
Hozirgi Amerikada.
Yo'q, bilaman o'sha. Qaysi bo'ladimi aqami? Qaysi?
O'rtasida.
Bilaman o. Materik.
Hamis men ishon.
Yo'q, yo'q. Bu aqami qaysi qayda? Materik sifatida qaysi qayda?
Materik sifatidami? Batыс bo'ladi endi. Batыс taraf yo'q, shiqis taraf Xitoy.
Yo'q.
Qanday emas kerak sana?
Materik aytadi.
Materik
var, Amerika materik degan. Aqami.
Ava.
Yo'q, qaysi so'g'la qaysi arqa deydi.
Qo'llab et ana kimdir. Meksika beti.
Sen tushunmayman.
Ona tushunmayman.
Ikkinchi materikda Braziliya, Argentina so'la turadi.
Ava.
Bitta Kanada, Meksika.
Arkadaşlar onda bak. Arka. No arka. Hadi. O, Rider'lar ona var. Rider'lar öldüren mi oldu?
Arada Tiger. Pega.
Bo'ldi. Sen aytgandek ekan sana. Hech kim vasdan sira zat qo'yib Raider'lar ko'rsin. Sirasi qoldirmay o'tib Adres qildi deganlar.
Dedi? Azina qo'rq.
Ana neler var mı? Bandaladın, başka жаққан adamlar. Sen kinde lager var adamlarda, бірақ bir-birine қарама қарсы.
Қызыл болып көріне ме?
Ана, мысал үшін бір адамдарға мешкінің оң жағын бассаң бар ғой? Асты бетіне шығады жазулар. Lemoyne Raider дегелер бар ғой? Adreskal деген, солар өлтіреді ақай. Сен неге қарама қарсы лагердің адамдар.
I think you're as slippery as an eel in an oil slick, but
Lemoyne
still a
Raider
man.
деген.
Because I think I found something interesting.
Yeah?
Have you ever robbed a stage?
Оларды өлтіре берсең сатмайды, абыройыңа түспейді.
I would have even thought. Of course I robbed a goddamn stagecoach. You know I had.
What's the problem with stagecoaches?
The armed man attempting to put a bullet in your head?
Not quite. The odds. I mean, is it worth the robbing?
Sometimes.
I know. But, well, if you'd like to come with me, I can
Lemoyne
introduce you
Raider
to a
деп
new
жазып
best
қойды,
friend, and he's
Сондайларды
going
өлтіре
to
бер.
give you all the
Raider
decent
жазып
robbable
қойды.
stagecoaches a hot-blooded degenerate could require.
I could require a whole lot.
Білмеймін, мына жерде тұрған екен. Сразу өтіп сен осы. Raider дегенді көрсем болды, өтірікті көрем.
So where do we find this friend of yours?
Roads.
Because what can possibly go wrong there?
Hayır, yine bunu tamam. Başka yürüyün ölmedi lan.
You sure seem to have got about around here.
Şippen yürü
You know
götürüyorsun.
me. I like to make friends in low places.
How the hell you end up down here anyway?
I could ask the same of you. I have a few commitments over this way.
Krakatil tek bat bak bitti var ya.
Expenses to meet.
Ah krakatil de olmadı ya. Kalk bitti gibi mi? Oy vay dedi.
What expenses? Gentlemen's canes and rabbits pulled out of hats.
Among other things, I had quite a nice little business going for a while. Shares in a gold mining
Мишкин оң жағын бассаң адам бар ya.
Excellent returns for the investor of a certain financial
Stranger болса
standing.
тиме ақ қой. Stranger болса тиме да.
Well,
Raider деп
unfortunate
қойғанда
run-in with the law.
Yeah, that's how it
O'Driscoll деп
goes.
дегем шығады. Егер шықса,
Thanks for disappearing on us. During that Sean business, by the way.
I've done my part. Each to their strengths, dear boy. You know, you boys should really watch yourselves with those two families. This is a small town. People talk. I tried to mention it to Hosea, but you know how he is. Here we are. We can hitch up outside. I'll make the introductions, Arthur.
бәрін алып қоймайды. Өзің шеліп қойма. Ой, балыққа бармайық. Балыққа бармайық.
О, шын қобыз шерт отыр ғой.
Не дейді?
Ауызбен шертетін не бар? Қалапақ кетті.
Ала.
Ақпақшымыз үйге қасап кетті. Жерінен көр?
Көріп отыр. Отырып шерт отқан жоқ қой. Ақша беруге ма? Бұл 5.
Зәбі ғана?
Hi, folks.
Hi, mister.
Come on. Hang back a bit and let me do the talking. We don't want to scare him off.
Harmonika. Angliçiz. Şungoğuz?
Money to be made on the new railroad for those who know which way to
Ана, мұрны қысып білеген не қозғайды.
Қобыз бұл.
Қобыз.
Hello, Alden.
Hello, Josiah. How have you been?
Dandy. And you, friend?
Like I said, times are tough.
My
missus is a bad woman. Terrible woman.
They often are. But how's work, Alden?
Terrible. Wages got cut again. They reckon they just invented a new horseless carriage will be the end of us.
They've been saying that nonsense since they invented the wheel. The wickedness of bosses.
I know. My comrades here and I are greatly discouraged from the adequate fulfillment of our duty.
A discouraged man is no man at all, Alden. No man at all. My friend Arthur has a present for you.
Why, hello there.
Tatar başqacha bo'ladi.
What could be better?
Бәрін бір жерінен келу керек қой. Үлгісі. Монғолдардан келді.
Ain't you kind, sir?
Call him Arthur. He's one of us, a fellow man of distinction.
Okay. Well, this is perfect timing. I think you'll like this one, Josiah. It'll be coming south down the river road through Siltwater Strand.
Thank you, Alden. Thank you very much.
Oh, and Josiah, if you or Arthur are ever out Strawberry Way, ask for my colleague there, feller called Hector. He's also one of the, what did you call us again?
Discouraged men, Alden.
That's it, discouraged men. I like that.
Well, goodbye, Alden, or should I say, adieu.
Oh, adieu, Josiah.
This bait is the best for fish. Bluegill.
What the hell was that? I thought you might like to see that pantomime.
River Road through Siltwater Strand, he said.
Okay. I think I know a good spot to wait. Follow me.
Hey. Okay. Bye. Good over there.
Mount up then, let's go. What did I tell you? simple as can be. Seems a lot of the station workers are in on it these days. Earning a pittance. The unions are whipping them up, so they want something on the side. Like he said, there, Strawberry. Could create a lot of opportunities for a man in your line of work.
I ain't sure about going back to Strawberry after all that market business.
Didn't sound like you left anyone alive to recognize you, so I wouldn't worry too much, dear boy. All this trouble, you gentlemen are becoming quite the celebrities, aren't you? Soon you'll be on the front of a dime novel. And dead, of course.
We're hoping to be long gone before that. Dutch has a plan.
Here we are. This is the spot. Okay, this should do.
Sure. Here.
I'm hoping we won't need those.
Better safe than sorry. So what were you thinking?
Well, according to this, the loop
Başına
dislocated
elden
to
oynayan
a
adam
strong
kızı
box,
mümkün.
which is in the back.
Kalay o
I'll put
Amerika
on a
bütün
little
bence bu.
performance, and you can scurry around, open the strong box, and relieve them of their goodies.
And how do I open the strong box?
Bari өмірге де
without
сабақ алсаң
threatening
болады да.
someone to open it for me.
This should work.
And I can do this silently?
Well, I'm hoping complete silence won't be necessary. But you're going to wish you had your earplugs. This is Damson. Oh, very good, Alden, very good. Of course, if anything goes wrong, you can wave your guns around like you normally do. Hold tight. They'll be here soon.
There it is, right on time. Let's go. Keep your distance so they don't see you. And please leave that gun in its holster for once. I'll ride ahead and get the coach to stop. You hang back. Don't let them spot you or you'll scupper the whole thing. Okay, damn it. Do it your way then. Meet me back at the clock.
You're acting mighty suspicious, my friend. Yep. Oh, shit. You ain't gonna get away with this.
Ay. 이거 뭐야?
Easy.
Come on on.
Stop. 좋다.
Lugia.
Akşam şu sikra. Yerin şiş.
Come on.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's all. It's it.
Okay. Without
Satılayın deyin. Sen bana alatın bak bu. Oynama.
Tek kere biri birlikte var.
Yok benim var. Benim iyi. Bak.
Ben de. Dört dönüş. Bak olsun.
Nereden? Gidiyor.
My way would have been so much cleaner. But there we go. Well, that didn't go exactly according to plan. How did we do?
Well, aside from all the shooting and getting shot at, you did fine.
Chain.
Thank you. Well, now, go see Alden from time to time.
Let's hope it goes a little smoother next time.
We always hope that, Arthur. See you soon.
Lardi verdi o.
Video kur.
Yapma videosundasın.
Langsung ke atas ya. Wile. Kettai bal.
Just Videosunu Just bir sana tecrübe.
Bilmedim.
Ulan tecrübe demeyeceğiz. Ot kurutan mı?
Ondan için iyi. Video ko'rib mu streamga qo'yib. Tail deer kerak. Perfect. Pearson was satay. Nereye? Perfect badger. Badger. Main campfire. Ça très bien. Donation. Dutch qani Dutch.
Giddy up. Let's go, girl.
Mecca. At first in the new American artist, Abigail thinks that Jose and John are looking for you. Moonshine stash. Molly O'Shea.
أخي
Sen жүрген жерінде легендарный түлкі бар Айнзар.
Okay, girl.
Sen жүрген жерде легендарный түлкі.
Өлтірдің ма жаңа?
Өлтірдің ба? Легендарный түлкіні ма? Ақ түлкі? Ақ түлкі, ақ түлкі.
Өлтірдің?
Ой. Bounty'lar mı? Oy.
Sure hope that ain't your blood.
Bangacaklar da.
Oh, жақсы.
Let's show them how free.
Terima kasih.
Bilmiyorum, ben suçum.
Hep kaçsan gördün mü?
Bunu koygan görmüyorum.
Harap, kaptırı gör. Kaptırı kusam.
Missiyada şüphemedim. Vay. Dedayım dostum.
You idiot. Yep.
Fitness shot mı?
70'in tarafında göre 80. Kayka vurursun.
Hey, fellas.
$160 basına yiyor mu Road'da?
My associates are already here.
All right, that's enough. Move along now.
Ne böyle?
Bilmezsin.
Road'da. Senin basına. Ya $160 diyeceğiz kan yok da senin basına.
What's gotten into you?
$300 almış böyle aldım.
$300'lık yeri var. Бірақ sen қазір Road'da 160 деген. Көп қой деген. Менге 50.
Please come in, sir.
Ben şüphen kalamam.
This way, sir. A gentleman to see you, ma'am.
So, your friend, the other liquor vendor. Hello.
Hello, ma'am.
Arthur, welcome. We were just playing cribbage.
Oraga getir
Arthur
o.
Morgan, Mrs. Catherine Braithwaite.
Nice to see you again.
Apparently. So this one, he is big and as dumb as he looks?
Well, he's surely big, but his intelligence is a matter of some conjecture. Some say he is as dumb as he looks, but I think, well, he's not quite that dumb.
So these are the boys going to Kanalg'a Hall?
Yes, we can take care of that for you, but one hates to be coarse. There is the question of money.
Oh, we've got money, Mr. Matthews.
Paper,
Bonds,
bonds, metal.
She ain't gonna pay you with a certified check, you Yankee numbskull.
Ain't childbirth just the most beautiful miracle? Seems a lady can birth monkeys, after all.
Kurşunsu деген. Da çıktı olacak. Taşta yedim çünkü.
Can I drive?
Nope.
Walter var seni. Pinegen mi?
Osaqına mı olur? Osaqına mı olur? Yani olmaz yok.
O, mende de bunlar var mı?
All right, let's get this over with.
Конкрет ақша табалмай деп сикмозун отырып сикіп өтейін ба?
You was quiet in there.
Come on, Morgan. Pick up the pace here.
Fuck
everything I had. That son of horse. I'll shove that silver spoon down his throat and pull it clean out of his arse. A smug fucker.
So what she got us doing at the Gray's place?
She wants us to torture tobacco fields. Said they ain't had rain in weeks round here.
What?
Yeah, using that back there.
Moonshine?
Burns faster than kerosene, that stuff. Said it'd be fitting, she did. All I'm thinking is how about I try fitting my boot up your hook now, just snotty old bitch.
Jose really picked the right fella for tea at the manor, didn't he?
Ah, he was giving it his usual flannin'. One of these families got gold stashed somewhere, he reckons. I mean, I'm all for sticking it to rich folks. I hate rich folks. There really better be some bloody money at the end of all this.
Jose knows what he's doing.
Does he, though? The master finagler of nothing.
Easy, easy.
So far, we've destroyed the Braithwaite still. Tried to sell the shine back to them. Now we're on this fool's errand, which I'm very much looking forward to, by the way. They was saying old man Gray's double security after that business at the saloon.
Just robbed their horses, too.
That was you? Jesus.
So, we're just gonna drive on in there, is that it?
Don't worry. I got a plan. Wagons go in and out of there all the time with supplies, equipment, payroll. Especially now they've taken on all that extra muscle. We're making a delivery, that's all. Just leave it to me. I can talk a dog off a meat wagon.
All right, then.
Yeah.
Ақша тауып болып, ұяқ келіп болып та.
Yeah.
жүрегіне напрямую прострелы.
Иттер оққан жерге ұқсас, тапсырған жерге.
Бұл жер бар, Ярамика өзенсіз жақсы. Оқитын тоқтап Қытай, Японияда өтіп кеткен. Ярамика жақсы. Үйрет қоймайды дейді бұлар.
Үйретпейінше.
Қанда білемін. Қытайды білмеймін, Япон үйрет. Parmak patronun ötesi öldü. Zamanla oldu da. Soğular birbirine şakalamaya başladı. Kalkan geldi. Birbirine birleştiren abi. Akan sapar mereka jual macam betul macam. Asna kali sama tu. Baru dia baru. Orang talai dah. Saya yang merapat tall, panjang, berbeda. Melet. gözüne çöktüm.
Whoa! Hold up a second. Are you not worried about them greys, English?
Excuse me?
You not worried about them greys?
In what sense?
Well, they knows you.
Maybe you're right. You know what? Here, I'll go hiding back.
Barro, sağ qaramağanslar.
Stop us from getting into a fight before we're ready.
I will try.
Yes. Try and do an impression of a human being.
I'm not going to go that far.
Yürü kalır var. Tıpadan az ok betenim var. Devam edelim. Evet, aparam atalım. Şimdi isyalatlarda çok az.
We're here. Stay out of sight. I'll do the talking.
Hey, hold it right there.
Mesela makalasa ürünü mü olur?
Yürüyeceğiz o yenici zaman oldu.
What you want, boy?
There was a thing.
Oğlum bırak kalayca zamanında tutmamaz oğlum. Bak
What
neyim
you
tutar
talking
ya.
about?
Well, I'm
Şaklaymış
delivering the
değil.
supplies.
You're not the usual
Kurşun.
driver.
You want a bottle, friend?
Son just
Here.
popluyoruz mesela.
Have a wee drop.
Niye o?
I'm
Biz
new.
erdi sabah özlemsin yöneliş boyunca almayacağız yöneliş.
I've come from Donegal, in Ireland.
Qanday deb chiqarma shuni maqolajasini. Adamlar.
They said you'd understand some kind of incident at the saloon in town. I was told to bring this up here. Ask no questions, I'll tell you no lies, sort of business. Before the officials got there, they said.
Okay. Drive this way. I'll show you how to get there.
Oh, thank you, friend. Have a drink, Sean.
Hamish.
Good to meet you, Hamish. Fine bit of country you've got here. Not as fine as Connemara, but fine nonetheless.
My people come from Scotland.
Is that right? And you and I are nearly brothers.
Missiyada düşürmezsin.
Zaten Arnold'u bak.
Just over here. Straight down the path here. It's getting so I can barely keep track of all these deliveries coming in.
Yeah, and they said they was looking for more drivers in town. I jumped at the chance. I've never been a feller to kick a bit of honest work out of bed. So, you folks been having a hard time of it, have you?
Yeah, Mr. Gray's got a heap of problems right now with another family around here. Bunch of covetous lowdowns trying to sabotage his livelihood. Disgusting.
Oh dear, I'm sorry to hear that, Hamish. Sounds like you definitely deserve that drink.
You don't know the half. Just in there.
Right you are.
Haydi, şimdi uydu koçuqatan.
түсінбеппін барған не болып жатқанын ұмытқанмын.
You can unload it here.
Tot soğan жерден басанды.
The horse is like a swift one, do they?
Excuse me?
Nothing.
Jinx partladı o.
It's grand.
Ya, koyağı şey türmeye çık. Öyle koşsun. Jinx partladı.
You boys have got here. Reminds me of one of them big houses out in Donegal. Real fancy places they was, Hamish. Real fancy. Because if some folks got all the money, they can build quite that. Okay. You can hold up in here till it gets dark.
How you getting
on? Good. Nearly got these things ready.
Nerede şöp?
Okay.
Şöp diye düşme.
There's plenty of guards out there. Here's how I feel we should deal with things. You head over to the dry barn. Sure. And you? I'm gonna deal with the fields themselves. We coat everything in moonshine,
And then we light things up with these little fellers here. Thankfully, it ain't rained. And that old barn over there should go up like a torch. How many of these boys you think you need? This should do it. Let's head out the back. Look, once they get wind of us, there'll be no turning back, so move quickly.
Of course. I'm rebel stock, boy. I was born burning down manor houses.
We'll burn quietly.
Quiet. There's someone coming on the left.
Oh, hey. Well, I thought the wagon already arrived.
This one didn't. Strange.
So, what you got there?
Tools, payroll.
Okay. Drop it by the supply shed at the back of the fields.
Sure. See you later.
You hear that? Payroll.
Yeah. Let's get this job done first, okay?
Just let me deal with our friend here. Come on. You douse the fields. I'll meet you at the barn.
Try to stay out of trouble. That's good. Should be enough for here.
Otur.
That's good for here. It's gonna be a long night. That should do it. All right, next.
I'm gonna douse this too. Think she'll go, Arthur? Light her up. After you, sir.
Allah
What are you waiting for? Now let's go light ourselves a fat cigar.
Somebody shoot him already!
We'll hold this one up. You get those fields properly going.
You'll pay for this! Not right now. We got company. Look out!
Ölen mi?
These bastards coming from! Look out! There's more of them!
There goes out right out of here.
Watch it there! The wagon we saw come in earlier. You nicked the horses from that.
All right, where is it?
This way! Shit! All of the bastards! Stay with me! Look out! Here come more of them! You want a war? A bit smart! They seem to be taking it well.
This is a goddamn mess.
Come on! See? There it is! Maybe they haven't unloaded that cash yet.
They didn't tell you there'd be an army of them?
They didn't tell me nothing.
All right, come on, we'll take those horses.
Well, let's see if the payroll is actually in there.
Hurry up.
Oh boy, we did good, Morgan. We did good.
Great, but let's go. Okay, let's get the hell out of here fast.
You right, follow me.
India.
We're going straight out the front gate. That's running to a right party.
You call that a party?
That Braithwaite had got our money's worth, all right.
Let's just get out of here first.
I think we lost them.
That we did.
Quite a night.
Sure.
Interesting little fight Dutch has put us into the middle of here.
I hope him and Jose are right and that there's some money at the end of it.
Well, what now?
Head on back to camp.
You coming?
Later. I got some business.
Right you are, English. Another job well done, I'd say.
Tiger.
Yeah. anladım. In streaming